Hi everyone, I'm back. It has been about 14 hours and this thing is cured hard. I think it did a great job. Look how pretty. There is one little rock that is transparent that made it up there. You can see a little divot maybe. And I think this looks cool, but I think I want to add one last layer, and I want to add some white right along the edge just to help transition it a little bit. But other than that, I think it is beautiful. So let's get going.